Okay, I'm gonna run around into the driver's seat and try and start it. You guys tell me what's up. Take you over to the front here. Key to the on position. You can see all their lights work on the vehicle. So electricity is definitely flowing. Any thoughts? I have replaced the ignition switch, brand new. All fuses are good. We have a whole gaggle of new things. Got a new belt, new fuel hoses. There's a new but tested functional idle cutoff solenoid. New wires, new cap, new rotor, new distributor. This is a SVDA 034 electronic ignition. It's a Kuhl stuff or whatever brand. Anyway, there's that. Coil has been tested at 4 ohms, 4.2 ohms, so I think it's still okay. Got everything wired up properly, a little messy, but proper. My ground negative for the distributor, positive for the distributor. This goes to the choke and to the idle cutoff, whatever that black wire is. And then my other side here. Anyway, oh, and reverse lights. All plug connections are good. All are in the right order. Connected there. So everything on that electronic system is new except for the coil, which I had a new one on there and it's been doing the same thing for 4 nights now. Carburetor's been cleaned good. I've sprayed starter fluid down right through the throat with no luck. Fuel bowl I did open up and check, it is full of fuel. Oil's fresh, spark plugs are fresh, spark plug wires are fresh. I've tried adjusting the distributor a few different directions, no luck. New battery, I'm at a loss. I don't know where else to look. You know, I would think maybe it were the carburetor not getting fuel into the manifold here if I were able to spray starter fluid or something up top here and it would kick over, but it's not. So anyway, that's all I got, I guess, for now. But give me your guys' 2 cents. Let me know what you think. Thanks.